Wrangler Feedyard, which is part of Cactus Feeders, is located south of Amarillo, Texas, about 45 miles. The yard today is roughly 50,000 head, comprised of cactus research and also customer cattle.
So Cactus relationship with Micro would have started back in the late 90s, where it really became pretty much a partnership on technology. Cactus, of course, is one of the premier cattle feeding operations in the country, in the world. It's an interesting relationship because they're a big customer, lots of responsibilities that we take care of, but they're also our friends.
Technologies that Micro's providing us today is the read and feed, the animal health, AccuTrack, the batcher, and then also today we're utilizing the Cubex for our inventory management. You know, we've always had some sort of batching program. Before that you had a hardy board, and then a lot of folks moved to a different batching program. Ours was a Flowcon. In about 2002 or 3, Micro brought their system in and sure enough made our life a lot easier.
We want Cactus to be as efficient as they possibly can. We talk a lot of times about precision agriculture. And precision agriculture, you know, to us means doing it as efficient and as accurate as possible. And so technologies such as the batcher, such as the Micro machine, shoots out animal health systems, bunk readers, GPS feed truck systems, all of that drives speed and efficiency. And that's the two things that really drive us, you know, to bring value to our customers.
We're able to pull reports off of everything that we do. We're more assured of the accuracy, you know, through their read and feed, and we know what's going on through things like GPS, and we know exactly where these trucks are hitting and that they're at the spot they're supposed to be. We're able to really manage the little details too. They did a really cool deal for us here at Wrangler Feedyard. With research, of course, we have different rations that go out, quite a few sometimes. Since we have the read and feed, and since we have the batcher, since they can communicate with each other, the feed truck knows when it pulls up to the mill, they say, I take my next ration. They hit the button. The mill knows that the last time we made that ration, we put that ration in bin X. So now it only unlocks bin X for them. And so now we know, right, we got GPS that's telling us the right truck's at the right pin. Now we know that the right feed is always being loaded into the right trucks.
Wrangler was the beta baby for the Cubex system. We put one Cubex system in here and we ran it for 6 months. And they saw the efficiencies on inventories, the inventory ease that system brought, you know, sold them on putting it everywhere.
For the Cubex and the inventory that it provides to us, right, is they're able to utilize our usage that we use, and they watch that over time. And you know, there could be some different times of the year where you got the fall and the spring, and they can track those trends. So they're able to make sure that that product, when those times come, that product's sitting on the shelf, and then in times when that head count levels out, we don't have the big runs or whatever the case may be, then it can back down. So with them delivering every 2 weeks, they're able to manage that, and that is one thing that our folks do not have to worry about. It keeps an inventory on hand for us.
The biggest thing that people don't understand is the more you do with the cactuses of the world, the more weight you have on you to do it right. It's not like you get all the business and it's like you rest on your laurels. That's not the way it is. Because they're our friends, we want them to be successful. And so it puts really more pressure on you to bring more innovation and service the heck out of them like we do today.
So my expectations are that we come in and it runs every day. And the folks there at Micro, they make it happen, and we don't have to worry about it. They truly understand the nature of our business and how precise we try to be and how accurate we try to be. And it's just pretty neat to be part of something that where they understand our business just pretty much as we do, and understand that we got to be on time every day.
I think most of us get up in the morning and it's not going to work. It's going to have fun and see what we can do.
Service is key in the business model that they're in, and they're good at it. That's all I can say is they're good at it.